Over the last few months, the door on our home has become increasingly difficult to open and close due to the top of the door coming in contact with the frame. I also noticed the top hinge was a little loose, but the screws in the hinge wouldn't tighten anymore, they just spun around freely. I decided to take the door off to investigate a little further. These doors are a little heavy, so if you're going to take one off, definitely use something to prop the bottom of the door up so it doesn't damage the hinges or the frame during the removal. If you have kids, it's likely that there are at least 15 shoes within arm's reach at any given time, and they make great wedges to help keep the doors up. After getting the door off, I noticed the screw holes for the top hinge were bored out a little too much and the screws no longer had any wood to bite into. I grabbed a few toothpicks from the pantry and coated the ends in some Titebond wood glue. Any kind of regular glue will also work here, and if you don't have any, it's really not completely necessary. It just gives the toothpicks a little more strength when driving the screws back in. Next, I stuffed a few toothpicks into each of the screw holes. These will give the screws something to grip as they go in, and should help hold the hinge much tighter to the frame. I used a utility knife to trim the ends flush so that the hinge could properly fit back into place, and then reinstalled the door. You could definitely give this a try without taking the whole door off, but I wanted to get a look at the whole frame on the hinge side, and sometimes taking the door off is easier than fighting with the hinges. Once the door was back on, I gave it a test, and now we don't have any more contact with the frame. We'll call this one fixed. Thanks for watching.